Hi everybody, and welcome to another helpful little video. In today's video we have some wise information about, well, first let me say I have a kitty cat that you've seen in my other videos, and if you have a cat then you'll appreciate this video, because your kitty cat has probably caught a lizard also in your garden. As you see here, this little buddy was caught by Yuri, and I was able to catch Yuri and take this little guy out of his mouth before any damage was done. But there was some damage done. As you can see, his tail was bit off right there. But lizards can regenerate their tail. I looked online, and what it said is that many lizard species can regenerate a lost tail as a survival mechanism to escape predators. While the new tail usually grows back within weeks to months, it is typically a simpler version of the original, containing a tube of cartilage instead of bone. Let's see here. Come on, buddy. So, hey. And look at that, he seems to be shedding right now at the same time that his tail got bit off. See that? He's shedding his scales. As you can see, here's some scales here that just shed off in the middle of all this. Yeah, so aside from information about his tail being bit off, I wanted to share some information about the benefit of lizards for your garden. Hi, buddy. You're gonna be all right, bud. Don't worry. I'll let you go in a minute. Yeah, look at how beautiful this guy is. Hi, buddy. Say hi, everyone. So yeah, lizards are great benefit to the garden. This guy's, ooh, ooh, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, he really wants to leave. He's fighting me. He's fighting me. Yeah, he's mad now. Before I let you go, buddy, I'm gonna, ooh, come on, let's go back in the box for a minute. Oh yeah, look at, he's mad. Oh yeah, he says, let me go. I want to go now. Almost done with you, buddy. So, back in your box for just a minute. So, I looked online about the benefits of lizards for your garden. So if you ever catch your cat with a lizard, please take it from his mouth and help him to live. Release him back into the garden before your cat kills him, because they're a great benefit to your garden. They provide a natural, chemical-free pest control, serving as a great environmental benefit to your garden, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the ecosystem in your garden naturally. So you don't have to use any toxic chemicals. They feed on harmful insects, reducing or eliminating the need for chemical pesticides. Common insects they eat are slugs, snails, beetles and ants, caterpillars and moths, mosquitoes, flies, ticks that can spread Lyme disease, spiders, grasshoppers, roaches, any other pest, aphids, anything that is a danger to you or that is a danger to your the health of your garden. These guys take care of it. So they're very sensitive to chemicals. So please don't use any kind of chemical pesticides in your garden. It's better to rely on these guys. They're a great helper for your garden or farm, ranch. So be on the lookout. Beware of your cat trying to kill these guys. Stop them if you can, because these guys are not a very good match for cats. Cats are so fast, and these guys are not so fast to get away from cats, unfortunately. Yeah, so most garden lizards do not eat plants, fruits, or vegetables, so they pose no threat to your crops or your ornamental plants. They are strict carnivores. They eat the insects. Yeah, so and some fruit-eating lizard species help new plants to grow by dispersing seeds throughout the habitat, contributing to plant diversity. Yeah, so if you leave some water out in little bowls in your garden, you can help them to survive. You attract them. Like I said, though, just be careful if you have a lot of cats outside that they don't get snagged by your kitties. So, there you go. This little guy is a great helper for your garden, your farm, your ranch. Good little friend. Alrighty guys, well, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate it. Thanks for cooperating with the camera, little buddy. Got your 5 minutes of fame there. I'll let you go back into the garden so you can help out. Okay. Alrighty everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Check out my other videos. Consider subscribing. Alrighty then, have a great day. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.